Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the Baseball 9 mod menu completely free. And the best part is that it works on both iOS and Android devices. With this Baseball 9 mod, you gain access to all the hacks in the game, including unlimited gems, coins, and energy. Whether you are playing on iPhone or Android, this method unlocks premium features without any cost. Here's what the Baseball 9 mod menu includes. Unlock all items instantly. Unlimited gems, coins, and energy. Unlimited upgrades, free shopping, and much more. Before starting, make sure your Baseball 9 app is updated to the latest version. To check, simply go to the App Store or Google Play Store and see if an update is available. If your game is already up to date, you are ready to proceed. The next step is easy. Scroll down to the pinned comment below this video. There, I explain exactly where you can download Baseball 9 safely. Follow the instructions carefully, and you will have the mod menu running in minutes. Enjoy your unlimited gems and coins, and I will see you in the next video.